Cinefil Film Club of Entertainment Society of Goa will hold Sai Paranjape's Film Festival on Women's Day, the 8th of March. This festival will be till 10th March at ESG in Panji. On 9th and 10th March, films will be screened at 1930 K Sarasara, Vasco. Sahitya Academy's Konkani Advisory Committee's chairman, Dr. Bhushan Bhave, was one of the guests at the concluding ceremony. He said government had no business to set up a theatre academy when Kala Academy existed. But in the bargain, the other Konkani drama suffered. That's why we require a separate academy for Konkani theatre.
Kala Academy was sufficient enough to take care of both the performing arts, नाटक आणि theatre. म्हणून म्हणजे आताय बी मागणी असा की गोय सरकारान संगीत नाटक अकादमीच्या धर्तीचेर एक नाटक अकादमी गोंयांत स्थापन करपाची गरज आसा. साहित्य अकादमीतून ताचे वतीन जो करियर फॉलोअप आसा तो आमी येता त्या वर्सान करतले हाची आमी खात्री करता.
The Sammelan also passed a resolution demanding Sangeet Natak Academy as well as Konkani Natya Parishad. Chief guest Principal Bhaskar Naik asked the theatre personalities in the audience why another writer of the caliber of Pundalik Narayan Naik is not getting created in Goa. He also appealed to the artists to take up the challenge of producing Konkani musical dramas with authentic Konkani music.
दुसरो पुंडलीक बाब केन्ना जन्मतलो अशें हांव जेन्ना म्हणटा, वॉट आय मीन टू से इज त्या ताकदीचो त्या लेवलाची तितली प्रगल्भ नाटकां बरोवपी आनी ती अशे लेखक आमचे मदीं केन्ना जन्मा येतले. कोंकणींत वचून संगीत नाटकाची परंपरा आयकली ना किंवा कोंकणींत वचून त्या प्रकारची संगीत नाटकां निर्माण जाली ना. ही एक चॅलेंज आसा. आमचे निजाचें गोंयचें संगीत जे वेगळ्या पद्दतीन नाटकान वापरूं येता काय कितें हें सांगणारो हांव एक्सपर्ट न्ही, पूण म्हाका एक फक्त हें सजेशन की कोणाकूय हें जर समज जर दिसतलें जाय जाल्यार तांणी हें जरूर ह्या दृश्टीन प्रयत्न करचो.
Our reporter Prahar Sawadekar from Kutsure.